everybody, welcome to Detoxify for Vibrant Health. This is Tony making up some more herbal spice mixtures today, and this one's almost my favorite. There's lots of favorites now. This is the Chill Out Chai. This is an anti-inflammatory mix, and it's also full of antioxidants. This is really good for cardiovascular health, for blood health, for your liver, for your digestion, and for respiration. And it happens to be delicious as well, added bonus. So this has some aniseed, some ginger, some turmeric, cloves, fennel, and cardamom with a little bit of black pepper. So give that a go and let me know if you like it. Okay, have a great day. Till next time, my friends. Be well and keep dreaming the good dream. Ciao for now.